friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a moon and star craft. Come join me and I'll show you how to make one. All right, friends, so in the kit that you picked up at the library, you'll find the following items. 1 moon and stars template, 1 paper plate, 1 pipe cleaner, and some yarn. You'll also need some additional materials. Coloring materials, scissors, and a pencil. A hole punch is optional. All right, let's clear off our workspace and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to cut out our template. So cut around our template and our star. All right, now I'm going to bring over the paper plate, and I turned it over, and I'm going to put the moon on the paper plate and go ahead and line it up pretty well with the circle, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and trace the outer edge of the moon. So I'm going to hold it in place and trace the outer edge. All right, and before I remove it, I'm just going to go ahead and try to make a dot. Oh, my pencil broke. A pointy pencil is best for this. I'm going to go ahead and draw that circle, and as I'm drawing it, it's kind of, the paper is kind of coming away from, so that I actually have the marks here. I'm also going to go ahead and trace the eye. And the mouth, using a lot of pressure, so that even if it doesn't go through, I can kind of tell where the eye was and where the mouth was by the indent. So now I'm going to cut this moon out. Okay, there's my moon. And now I am going to use this part to trace my star. And I'm just going to turn it over so it's a little bit easier to trace. I'm going to use the flat part of the plate, but it's up to you if you want to use the ridges. I just think it's easier to use the flat part. So I'm going to go ahead and trace my star. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut out this star. And now I'm going to go ahead and color these two things. Now I'm going to go ahead and color the moon. First, I'm going to erase some of the pencil line that's still there. That's optional. And the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and punch these holes. Now, if you have a hole punch, you can do that with the hole punch. This is a guide to help you, okay? Or a sharp pencil would work, but just go ahead and be very careful poking through on both of those, so you can put your fingers on either side of the hole for some pressure, hold it, and punch through. So there are my holes on my moon. And now I'm going to go ahead and color in the moon. Now, I'm going to bring over the yarn. I'm going to go ahead and just put it through. So I'm going to hold it and then flip this over and pull through. And now I'm going to make a little knot here. So tie, and then one more tie. I'm going to just snip that, not too close to the knot, but kind of. And then the star also needs a place to hang. So I'm going to go ahead and, if I have my hole punch, I can punch a hole in the star. Or if I don't have a hole punch, I can just go ahead and use a sharpened pencil, and I punched that hole just like that. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to thread that through. If you're having trouble, you can use your pencil to kind of get it through and then pull. And then I'm going to, wherever I'd like my star to hang it probably about there, I think. I'm just going to tie a little knot. So again, tie it once and then one more time to tie the knot. And then I'm going to trim it with my scissors. And now I'm going to put the pipe cleaner through one hole, bend it up, and twist. You can go through the other hole, bring it up, and twist. So there you have it, your moon and star craft. Remember to clean up your workspace. Nice job, friends. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had a wonderful time making your moon and star craft, and I hope to see you at an event at the library or watch our calendar for more DIY events. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.